What's up, guys? Welcome back to Business Buffoons. I'm Azim. I almost introduced myself as Ahmed. That's so weird. I'm Azim.
My name is Ahmed.
And we're going to give you an update of our organic dropshipping journey. So my TikTok got a little over 800 views. My Instagram reel got no views. And that's where I'm at. I want to tell you guys that I kind of messed up the posting of these YouTube videos. So the date that it says is still the day that it was recorded. So everything is still consistent when you watch it, but I forgot to post yesterday. So today is Friday. Thursday, I forgot to post. And every day we post a video we recorded the day prior. So Thursday, I forgot to post Wednesday's video. So I'm going to post tonight, and then I'm going to post 2 times on Saturday, which is tomorrow, so in the morning and the evening to catch everybody up. But yeah, that's my update.
We also recorded the videos on the days that they were supposed to be posted. So like everything is still there in terms of like when we recorded the video. You'll see by our outfits so that you know.
Yeah, I don't know what you're saying, but I'm sure
you said
you're
the
right.
name of the video is correspondent to the day it's supposed to be posted.
No, I said it was corresponds to the day it was recorded.
We'll see. You guys can let us know.
Yeah, maybe one of us is wrong, and it might be me. Anyways, we're at 296 subscribers, so thank you guys. We're almost at 300.
Almost at 300. We just hit 200. Too.
Yeah, when we get to 1,000, we're gonna drop merch. But yeah, also, so we just talked with a professional in the e-commerce world. He's actually somebody I work very closely with on a daily basis, and he's done millions in e-commerce, and he just gave us some free and really good advice. So we're gonna be making some changes in how we do things, and all of those changes are gonna be shared with you guys. So there's no gatekeeping here. There's no charging for the knowledge. Everything we figure out, we're going to share with you. We're just going to test it out ourselves first. And yeah, I want you to understand that we're a month into this journey and we've struggled, but we've learned a lot and we're going to keep going. And we're the realest ones out there who are documenting their dropshipping knowledge. We're not like everybody else saying, trying dropshipping for 1 week and getting crazy results, because everyone knows it doesn't work like that when you're a rookie. So we're rookies, but we're adaptable. And because we're learning and implementing changes and reaching out to professionals and incorporating their advice, we're bound to make it eventually, inshallah. So you guys will see that happen soon. I'm sorry for yapping. Ahmed, I'll let you give your update.
Yeah, so I haven't posted today specifically, but yesterday's video got 658 views on TikTok. And on Instagram Reels, it's probably at like 2 something. I want to say it's at like 150. I'm pulling it up right now though. Just give me a sec. It's at
Bro's unprepared, bro.
138 views on Instagram Reels. Honestly, we really don't know how to crack Instagram Reels right now.
Honestly, this is an issue, bro.
This is really the issue right here. Like,
you know what I think we should do?
Not popping up, because the thing is that our link is clickable on Instagram. So we actually need more views on Instagram than we do on TikTok as of right now.
You can convert easier.
Yeah, like I literally probably got all of my site visits from Instagram because just for the fact that the link is clickable. So yeah, we need to crack that.
Why do you breathe so?
We need to crack that. And yeah, Azim brought up a good point on we should be posting on YouTube Shorts. We had an email issue. That's the reason why we aren't. But honestly, that's just another avenue.
Not gonna lie, I wasn't talking about our pages, even though I have said that. I was talking about our Business Buffoons TikToks.
Yeah,
you should be posting on the shorts for this channel that they're watching it on. Yeah, I love you guys. Just have to share that.
But yeah, I appreciate every single one of you that subscribed. And we are at, I think, 17 followers on our TikTok channel and 98 likes, which is honestly really good. I'm so happy about that because we started this channel like halfway through our journey. But yeah, those are all of my updates. I don't want to drag this.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Thank you.